Let's learn 20 summer words. Repeat the words after me. Number 1. This is the sun. Sun. Number 2. This is a beach. Beach. Number 3. This is sand. Sand. Number 4. This is a sandcastle. Sandcastle. Number 5. This is the ocean. Ocean. Number 6. These are waves. Waves. Number 7. This is a pool. Pool. Number 8. This is ice cream. Ice cream. Number 9. This is a cone. Cone. Number 10. These are sunglasses. Sunglasses. Number 11. This is a swimsuit. Swimsuit. Number 12. These are swim trunks. Swim trunks. Number 13. These are flip-flops. Flip-flops. Number 14. These are sandals. Sandals. Number 15. This is a seashell. Seashell. Number 16. This is watermelon. Watermelon. Number 17. They go on a picnic. Picnic. Number 18. This is a floatie. Floatie. Number 19. This is a towel. Towel. And finally, number 20. This is a lifeguard. Lifeguard. What's your favorite summer word? I love swimming pools. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Learn English Diary for more videos like this one.